Monday, May 12th marked the official start of the Sean Diddy Combs sex trafficking trial. Here's a recap of what happened at the courthouse today. Rapper and music mogul Sean Diddy Combs pleaded not guilty to federal charges, including racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking, and transportation to engage in prostitution. At the start of the trial, Combs turned to face a jury of 8 men and 4 women. His mother and 6 of his children appeared at the Lower Manhattan courthouse in a show of support for Combs. The prosecution kicked off the trial with their opening statements, alleging that Combs committed a multitude of crimes including kidnapping, arson, drug distribution, sex crimes, bribery, and obstruction. Prosecutors stated that their case will be heavily focused on 2 of Combs' alleged victims, his former girlfriend Cassie Ventura, and a woman who will be referred to as Jane throughout the trial in the effort of maintaining anonymity. The prosecution went on to describe violence against Ventura, alleging that Combs was on the hunt for his ex-girlfriend with a gun after discovering that she was seeing another man, beating her severely when he found her. Prosecutors specifically referenced multi-day events orchestrated by Combs known as freak-offs, during which Ventura and a number of other women were allegedly drugged and forced into unwanted sex acts, accompanied by physical assault allegedly used by Combs as a means of asserting dominance. The prosecution told the jury that they will be shown video clips from such events as evidence during the trial. The prosecution also accused Combs and members of his staff of racketeering conspiracy, stating that together they agreed to commit different crimes, kidnapping, arson, distributing drugs to other people, exploiting employees for labor. Following statements from the prosecution, Combs' attorney addressed the jury with opening remarks in the musician's defense. Combs' lawyer denied all racketeering and sex trafficking charges, conceding that Combs is very flawed and complicated, admitting to jealousy-driven domestic violence. However, the defense noted that domestic violence is not sex trafficking and urged jurors not to judge Combs for his sexual preferences, adding that video footage of Combs assaulting Ventura is disturbing, undeniable evidence of domestic violence, but not evidence of sex trafficking. The defense claimed that Ventura left her 11-year relationship with Combs on her own, denying allegations of coercion from the prosecution. They then warned jurors that videos from the freak-offs may be difficult to watch, but that footage will only show consensual acts. Following opening statements, the first witness took the stand. Officer Israel Flores, a security guard at the Intercontinental Hotel in 2016, testified that after Combs was caught on camera assaulting Ventura, he was called to the scene and found Ventura near shards of a broken vase with a black eye. The prosecution then called their second witness, Mail Review manager Daniel Phillip, who stated under oath that there were several incidents beginning in 2012 where he was paid as much as $6,000 to have sex with Ventura. He said that Combs was present during 3 of these incidents, and that he once heard Combs beating Ventura in another room while she was crying. He also noted that Ventura appeared to be intoxicated on drugs during at least one of the incidents. During this testimony, Combs' 3 daughters left the courtroom. Around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, the trial adjourned for the day, with Phillip expected to return to the stand in the morning for cross-examination. If convicted on all counts, Combs could face up to life in prison.